Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. This is the card we're making. Really simple and easy. There's not a lot to it, I admit, but I really liked it. It reminded me of a sketch. Somebody had gone out into the world and sketched a panda, and they'd made it into a card, and I wanted to keep this monochromatic black and white feel to the image. So this is what I came up with. The stamp set we're going to use is this one called Wild and Sweet, and we're going to use our dear panda here, and we're going to be stamping in some Memento Tuxedo Black, and I'm just using a stamping tool because it is a large stamp and I might need to stamp it more than once to get a good impression, especially as I think my Memento could deal with re-inking. I use it so often. I use it on nearly every project I do, so any time I need black I tend to go to this first. And I've had this for years and just kept re-inking it. I mean, I think I've had this for years. I think this must be this was one of the first ink pads I ever bought. So this is like 10 years old. No, more than 10 years old. 14 years old, something like that. And it's still going strong. Just re-ink it when it used to be re-inked. And all is well. Okay. There we go, that will do me. So, I'm going to take that out. I'm going to give my little panda a clean so he's not all dirty. We don't want a dirty panda. Have a little squeak as well. Sorry about that. There we go. Now we're going to cut out our panda using the deckled rectangle dies, and these are they. You get every size in and out the book nearly. Now I can't remember which size I used, so I'm going to it wasn't that one for sure. It was this one, I think. Let me just double check on my original. No, it wasn't. So let's put this back. Put this back. It was the large 2 sizes I used. Double check. Yeah, so we're going to cut that one out of that, and we're going to cut this out of some black cardstock, and I'll be back. Okay, so I cut them out with the dies, and then on the back I put a sheet of foam adhesive sheet, a piece of that, because I wanted to pop up the whole thing. So now our card base will be basic black, so it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I'm going to put down a piece of basic white cardstock on the inside that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. But don't worry, all these measurements and the supply list will be on the blog post, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. You can also find the link to all of my social media, including my Facebook group and my website, where you can find details of all the clubs and classes I offer. So do go and check all of that out. I'd be most grateful. Okay, so let's put this piece down here. Now this is a piece of the Zoo Crew Designer Series paper that I've cut down, and that's just going to be just to give a little bit of interest in the background. And then we're going to take the backing off our adhesive foam sheet I should say, and we're just going to stick this down on top, sort of getting it as centered as possible. Well, that will do, I think. Okay, and then I do have some finishing touches here, and these are the classic matte dots, and I've got bits and bobs of them here from where I've collected them from various kits and stuff. And I'm going to put 3 of them here, so I'm just going to get my pokey tool, and I'm just going to put those 3 there. So move that aside. And there are 2 cards. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. So as I said, if you need any more information, you should find it in the links below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.